Uzbekistan government for your speech to Uzbekistani people.
Assalamu alaikum. Şarkı Türkistanlı vatandaşlar ve Allah'ın selamı, rahmeti, yardımı hemimizden üstü olsun. Ve hemimizden Şarkı Türkistan'ın müstakilliğini eslik keltiriş yolunda birleştirsin ve kalbe atartıysan. Amin. Hazır mevcut Şarkı Türkistan halkı sütüde hemimiz Xitay ırkı kırgınçılıkta tehdit astıda yaşavatımız. Vatan içi ve sırtıdaki barlık vatandaşlarına selametlik dileymen ve Allah'ta işengen halda hemimizden ümit var ya işimizde ümit kılımen. Çünkü hemimiz Şarkı Türkistan için ve Şarkı Türkistan halkı için üstümüzde düşken asası vazifelerini ada kıysakla bizni büyük ve parlak bir istikbal kütmekte. Bundan burun kanç detim degenimdek bizning düşmanımız Xitay tajavuzchilari ve Xitay tajavuzchilariga yalaqchilik qilayotgan satqunlar ekanligini aniq bilishimiz lazım. Bugün aziz milletimiz 6000 yıllık tarixinin en zulmetli günlerini yaşayotdi. Qayta deyishga kerak yo'q. Hammamiz bilamizki Sharq Turkiston xalqi Xitay tajovuzchilari tarafidan irqiy qirg'inchilik va qatlamlarga duch kelyotdi. 150 yıldan köprek bir vakitdan beri devam kılıp kelayotgan düşman işgaliyeti, düşman istibdati ve katliamları sebebinden kimlikimizni millet sübutida unutib qoldik. Xitay tajovuzchilaridan iborat düşmanlarımız ve ularga yalaqchilik qilib kelayotgan itmijaz g'olchilar aziz xalqimizni cahil ve manqurt bir milletga aylantirib qo'ydi. Frederick Douglass shunday degan edi. Bir milletning hayotinin amallığı fakat şu milletning durust, to'g'ri, sharaflik ve g'ururlik bo'lishiga bog'liqdir. Xuddi shuningdek, biz g'ururlik ve vicdanlik insanlarımızdan ayrılıp kaldık. Yani Xitay tajovuzchilari sharaflik insanlarımızı yok qildi. Biz igi chiqmadik. Biz sharaflik insanlarımızdan örnek almay, aksice düşmanga ergashdik. Düşmandan o'rgandik ve düşmandan o'zimizga ziyonlik odatlarni yuqtirib oldik. Martin Luther King bunday degan edi. Fikri aciz insanlarni ishlab chiqarishga davom qilgan bir millat oxiri o'zining ruhiy ilmini asta-asta setib olgan bo'ladi. Xuddi shuningdek bizni keskin fikrlik bo'lmag'achqa düşmanımızın yeni mikirleriga, tozaqlariga, yolg'onlariga ve fitna fasadlariga dötle tushib ketdik. Qutuluşumuz ve azadlığımız için rehberlik qilishga tirishgan, meydani aniq ve fikri o'tkir haqiqiy rahbarlarga talbilarcha hujum qildik. Milletimizning atisi hükümetdeki to'g'ri rahbarlardan ayrılıp yetim qolgan chig'imizda bizni aldash uchun aramızdaki fikri aciz, meydanı aniq bo'lmagan shaxsiyatchi maxluqlar düşmanımız tarafidan bozorib silindi. Bu maxluqlar shaxsiy manfaatini milliy manfaatimizdan ustun ko'rdi. Ular so'zlaganda saxtipazlik bilan lop etib bersa nadonlarchilarga ergashdi. Saylanlarda shu tipdagi manqurtlarni sayildik. Bu ahvolimizdan ibrat olaylik. Hurmatli aziz xalqim, hurmatli aziz qarindoshlar, endişkinmanlar, düşmanımızın aldamçılık kılığına vakti ahırlaştı. Çünkü Şark Türkistan halkı uygandı. Bu ağır küllerimi ütüküdüdü. Biz herkes düşmanımız Xitay tajovuzchilariga kul bulmaymiz. Ecdatlarımız gibi öz vatanımızın hocayinleri bulumuz. 6000 yıldan köprek bir vakittin bu yan bir millet sübutida nurgun ağır küllerini baştan geçirdik. Nurgun felaketlerden ve sansız balaya afetlerden kurtulup çıktık. Bu cereyanda insaniyetin bakış için dünyada nurgun köprük koştuk. Büyük ecdatlarımız ilim, siyaset, felsefe, astronomiya, müzik ve harbi başka nurgun sahalarda dünyaya rehberlik diyen. Biz bugün şuların evladı sütüdü fakat mevcudiyetimizni saklap kalish için Şark Türkistan'ın müstakilligini eslik keltirish için kurash qilyapmiz. Fikrimiz aniq, meydanımız keskin ve g'oyamiz ro'shan. Şunun için biz qaysi yol to'g'ri, qaysi yol xato deb tartishib o'tmaymiz. Çünkü Şark Türkistan'ın müstakilligini eslik keltirish xalqimizning mevcudiyetini saklab kalishning, insan haklarımızı saklab kalishning ve erkinligimizni muhofaza qilishning birdan bir kafolatıdır. Bu yoldan başka yol bizni dunyodami ve ahiretdami xorliqdan qutuldirolmaydi. Qarindoshlar, texmi o'yg'onayli, birbirimizni texmi o'yg'otayli, yüzümüzni ve öz xalqimizni qutuldirish uchun bu ulug' safarga otilmayli. Gücümüzü toplayalım, zihnimizni toplayalım. Bizning birli düşmanımız da u bo'lsin Xitoy tajovuzchilari va ularga yalaqchilik qilib kelayotgan munofiqlar. Bizga düşmanımız yetib oshadi. Bundan boshqa düşman izlash ahmoqlikdan boshqa narsa emas. Shuning uchun hammamiz haq maydoniga kelaylik, haqqoniyat maydoniga kelaylik, haqda birlashaylik. Birimiz haq maydonda, yana birimiz nohaq maydonda turib birlashgani bo'lmaydi. Birleşişinin şartı Şarq Türkistan'ın müstakilligini asliga keltirishdan iborat haq maydonga to'planishdir. Hammalarga rahmat. Hammalarning davlat bayramınız mübarek olsun.
Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon all of you today. It's wonderful to have this many people out supporting the people of East Turkestan. Muslims have walked this land in Canada since before the Confederation of Canada. I would like to start with honoring that we are on Treaty 6 land right now. And the first peoples that have walked this land faced colonization. And Muslims around the world have faced colonization. They have faced erasure. They have faced ethnic cleansing. And we all need to stand together against human rights abuses that occur all over the world. Be it in Canada, be it in China, be it in Palestine. We need to stand for the people of East Turkestan, where many people have been quiet. Abuses have continued. And when it's your family, when it's your people that are under attack, you know, it's too late. We can't afford to stand idle, to keep quiet. We have to unite. We have to stand as one Muslim community to advocate for all of the people who are currently being harmed, who are being voiceless, who have been suppressed, who have been targets. Islamophobia is not unique to one country. It is a global phenomenon. And we all have to stand together, united, and we have to protect our communities. And we need to appeal to those in power. At the end of the day, it does not matter what is happening. Dignity should never come second to dollars. We have to make sure that our elected officials understand that dollars should never come before dignity. And all peoples deserve dignity. And the people of East Turkestan deserve to be free. Thank you.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the people of occupied East Turkestan, we thank you for joining us today to protest against China's genocide of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in East Turkestan and call on the international community to take action to end this 21st century Holocaust. Over 72 years since the occupation of East Turkestan in late 1949, China has been engaging in brutal campaign of colonization and genocide in East Turkestan. In recent years, since the arrival of Chinese tyrant Chen Chonggo to occupied East Turkestan, at least 8 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, Tatars, and other Turkic peoples in East Turkestan have been sent to concentration camps, prisons, and labor camps. Hundreds of thousands of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples are being used as slave labor, and tens of thousands are being killed for their organs as part of China's campaign of organ harvesting. Over 85,000 Uyghur and other Turkic children have been forcibly separated from their families and sent to state-run orphanages and boarding schools to be raised as loyal Chinese citizens. Tens of thousands of Uyghur and other Turkic women have been forcibly married to Chinese men, while hundreds of thousands of Uyghur and other Turkic women have been forcibly sterilized by the Chinese government. Over 3.7 million Uyghur and other Turkic babies have been forcibly aborted by the Chinese government as part of its policy of genocide. Furthermore, 46 Chinese nuclear tests have been directly affected anywhere from 190,000 to 750,000 people in the region and left millions with cancerous diseases as a result of radiation. There is no doubt what China is doing in East Turkestan is a genocide. On July 6, 2020, the East Turkestan government in exile and the East Turkestan National Awakening Movement filed a formal complaint urging the International Criminal Court to investigate and prosecute Chinese officials for genocide and other crimes against humanity. We call on governments across the world to support this effort. We call on member states of the International Court of Justice, like Australia, Canada, France, India, Japan, the US, UK, and others to file a parallel complaint to the ICJ and work to hold China accountable for their actions. The UN and governments across the world must uphold its commitment to never again and oppose the evil Chinese regime that is holding over 8 million people in concentration camps and engaging in genocide in the 21st century. We urge the UN and governments across the world to officially recognize China's atrocities and crimes against humanity as a genocide, while also recognizing East Turkestan as an occupied country. The UN and all countries in the world must take action through sanctions and other means to stop China's genocide in occupied East Turkestan. We call upon all people worldwide to continue engaging in a peaceful campaign against China by educating others about the genocide and other crimes against humanity being perpetrated against occupied East Turkestan's oppressed people. We urge all countries to boycott, divest, and sanction China and help East Turkestan and its people to regain their freedom and independence. For us, restoring East Turkestan's independence is the only way to guarantee and ensure the freedoms, human rights, and the very existence of the Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples. We ask you to join us and help us to bring justice and peace by ending China's prolonged campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation in East Turkestan. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right now, there is another speech to all humanity in the world, because East Turkestan issue it's not a regional issue, it's an international issue. Because our religion, Islam, saying that wherever is an occupation, if those people cannot defeat the enemy, this issue will be fardu ain to all Muslims in the world. So, in this case, I am giving a little bit speech. Thank you very much. Hello. Hello everyone. Today is November 12th. It is the Independence Day of East Turkestan. We are here today to commemorate this important day, and we are also assembled together here to make awareness about the East Turkestan Republic, which was established on November 12, 1963, and second East Turkestan Republic, which was established on November 12, 1944. The Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Uzbek, Tatar, and all other peoples of East Turkestan rose up against Chinese imperialist occupation and declared independence as a modern republic. Unfortunately, the East Turkestan Republic was invaded and overthrown on December 22, 1949 by China, once more resulting in prolonged 72 years of Chinese colonization, genocide, and occupation in East Turkestan that continues to this day. Every year, the people of East Turkestan commemorate East Turkestan's Independence Day, remembering the sacrifice of our heroic ancestors who gave their blood and lives to secure our nation's independence. Every year, our desire and efforts to regain East Turkestan's independence grows stronger as China seeks to eradicate the very existence of our country and of our people. Today, millions of our people remain locked up in concentration camps, prisons, and organ harvesting camps and slave labor camps. Many of them are being tortured, killed for their organs, raped, sterilized, and executed as we speak, while the remainder of our people outside the camps are constantly surveilled, harassed, and violated even in their own homes. Over 1 million of East Turkestan children have been forcibly separated from their families and so state-run orphanages and boarding schools to be raised to hate their own identity and embrace Chinese identity in its place. Millions of our innocent babies have been forcibly aborted, while millions of East Turkestani women have been forcibly sterilized. Hundreds of thousands of Uyghur and other Turkic women have been forced to marry Chinese invaders as part of China's efforts to eradicate our future existence. Our towns, our religious places of worship, and in our cemeteries have been destroyed as China seeks to leave no evidence that we existed. Why is this all happening? What is the cause of this? And what is the solution? Many people may ask. It's because China invaded our country and that we lost our independence on December 22, 1949. That we are on the brink of eradication today. It's because we are the owners of the land. The owners of East Turkestan, which is new to China. Hence the colonial term Xinjiang, meaning the new territory, which China has imposed upon us. That we are facing the darkest period in more than 6,000 years of history of our nation. While much of the world might fear China, it's China that fears us, which is why they have, for the past decade, continuously made it one of their top defense goals in their national defense strategy to prevent independence of East Turkestan. That's why they are spending hundreds of billions of dollars to colonize our country, to engage in a genocide against our people and maintain its occupation of East Turkestan. For us, there is only one solution, and that's the restoration of our country, East Turkestan's independence. For without independence, we will have no human rights. In fact, today, animals have more rights than we do. Without independence, we will know freedom. To where we can't even make a phone call and hear the voices of our family members in East Turkestan despite living in 21st century. Without independence, we cannot even ensure our very existence toward China is sterilizing our population, killing our people in camp and prisons for their organs, and eradicating every bit of evidence of our existence. There is no doubt what is happening in East Turkestan is a genocide. There is no doubt that the root of these atrocities is China's occupation of our homeland. And there is no doubt that we will never be able to ensure and safeguard our freedom, human rights, and very existence without restoring our independent state of East Turkestan. So, we urge the international community, countries, world leaders, organizations, and individuals to put themselves in our place even if a moment, and hear our plea for help. What's happening in Turkestan is something that happened to and very well happened to other countries across the world. We call on Canada government and all governments across the world, ICC, International Criminal Court, ICJ, International Court of Justice, NATO, UN, to take action against the Holocaust of the 21st century, which is taking place in occupied East Turkestan. We call on ICC, International Criminal Court, International Court of Justice, NATO, UN, USA, Canada, and all governments to recognize China's atrocity it is a genocide. We call on ICC, International Criminal Court, International Court of Justice, NATO, United Nations, USA, Canada, and all governments to recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country and help us through all means possible to regain our independence and put an end to China's prolonged campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation, which has been undertaken for the past 72 years. The people of East Turkestan are yearning for freedom. They are yearning for your help, and they are yearning for restoration of their independence. People who truly cares about human rights and stopping the atrocities, then they must support East Turkestan and its people to regain their rightful place in the international community as a free and independent country. As the people of East Turkestan, we fought and fought them back as much as we could, but we could not succeed because the neighboring countries and our brothers in Islam were silent and did not help us against the murderous oppressors of China. Therefore, China plotted a plan of genocide and practiced it for the first time in 2009. When China saw the silence of the international communities and silence of Muslims, it began to destroy the people of East Turkestan and throw them into Chinese prisons, concentration camps, especially Uyghurs, the owner of the country. China killed scientists, intellectuals, the rich, and politicians, and various accusations, and killed women, children, and newborns with the policy of birth control. Our youth and men opposed to it were thrown into the Chinese prisons and camps, and their organs were sold to Muslim people, to Muslims in Chinese hospitals as halal organs. And bodies were burned. In order to repel this massacre and genocide, we invite you, O nation of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all of you to Allah and His Messenger. And Allah has said in the Holy Book Quran, وَقَدْ نَزَّلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الْكِتَابِ أَنْ إِذَا سَمِعْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ يُكْفَرُ بِهَا وَيُسْتَهْزَأُ بِهَا فَلَا تَقْعُدُوا مَعَهُمْ حَتَّى يَخُوضُوا فِي حَدِيثٍ غَيْرِهِ. صدق الله العظيم. When Allah forbids us in this verse to sit with the Chinese oppressors, when we heard the verses of Allah being disbelieved or mocked, then Allah absolutely forbids us to agree with them, politically, strategically, commercially, diplomatically, or otherwise. Because China announced that Islam, religion, is a poisonous opium. That's why China is killing Muslim women, male and female believers, and burned the millions of Quran, Hadith, and Islamic books, demolished mosques and homes, and East Turkestan became second Andalus. East Turkestan is becoming second Andalus. Therefore, all kind of struggle against China, all kind of fighting back against China, and solidarity are fard-ayn, compulsory on Muslims, especially by boycotting Chinese goods. And it's clear haram to all Muslims to buy and sell Chinese goods and do trade with China. Dear brothers and sisters, remember that the resurrection is true. Qiyamah is true. The reckoning and judgment is true. The reward and true. Punishment, true. Paradise is true. And hell is true. Do what you want, so Allah, His Messenger, and all believers will see your work. Thank you, Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you. Right now, I am inviting Sheikh Mustafa to give us speech about the issue.
Bu tarafa dönerek konuşmak istiyorum. Esselamu Aleyküm ve Rahmetullahi ve Berekatuhu. Kardeşlerim, Allah'ın selamı, rahmeti, bereketi, mağfireti hepimizin üzerine olsun inşallah. Öncelikle bu Doğu Türkistan davasını bundan önce, benden önceki konuşmacılar durumu çok güzel özetlediler, izah ettiler. Ben de burada bulunan bir avuç topluluğun, insanların hem Cenab-ı Allah-u Teala katındaki konumunu, değerini izah etmek, hem de bundan sonra yapacaklarımızın bize bir yol göstermesi için, yapacaklarımıza yol göstermesi için bir konuşma yapmak istiyorum inşallah. Kardeşlerim, tarihsel süreç içerisinde insanlar iki kısma ayrılır. Hakkın taraftarları, batılın taraftarları. Hakkın taraftarları Nemrut'a karşı İbrahimce bir duruşun sembolü. Tarihsel süreç içerisine baktığımızda hakkın taraftarları hep sayıca az gözükmüşlerdir. Ama üstün olanlar hep hakka tabi olan, zalimin karşısında durup mazluma omuz verenler olmuştur, galip gelenler. Çünkü Cenab-ı Allah Kur'an-ı Kerim'de وَلَا تَهِنُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا gevşemeyin, üzülmeyin, korkmayın. وَاَنْتُمُ الْاَعْلَوْنَ اِنْ كُنْتُمْ مُؤْمِنِينَ eğer inanıyorsanız zafer sizindir. Galip gelecek olan sizlersiniz buyurmaktadır. Kardeşlerim, bugün zalimin karşısında duran mazlumlar, hakkın taraftarları her ne kadar sayısı az gözüküyor olsa da şunu bilelim ki Allah bizimle beraberdir. Biz bu dünyada hakkı savunduğumuz sürece, zalimlerin karşısında durduğumuz sürece elbette galip gelecek olan bizleriz inşallah. Çünkü sabahın aydınlığa en yakın olan kısmı karanlığın en çok olduğu zamandır. Şu anda zulüm Doğu Türkistan'daki kardeşlerimizi adeta kuşatmış durumda gözükmektedir. Ancak elbette bir gün aydınlık olacaktır, sabah olacaktır, unutmayalım. Bu davada haklı olabilmek için kardeşlerim, yapmamız gereken en önemli şey وَاَعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبِلِ اللّٰهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا Allah'ın ipi Kur'an'a sımsıkı sarılmamız gerekmektedir. Sakın ha bölünüp parçalanmayın buyuruyor. Şu anda Türk dünyasına, İslam dünyasına göz attığımızda Müslümanların eza, zulüm, cefa çekmesinin tek ve yegane sebebi vardır. O da bölünüp parçalanmaktır. Bu davayı kazanabilmemiz için öncelikle zalimlerin karşısında, sayıca çok olan zalimlerin karşısında birlik ve beraberliğimizi tesis etmemiz gerekir. Bunun yanında samimi bir iman ile yalnızca ve yalnızca Allah'a inanıp, ona güvenip ondan yardım istememiz gerekir. Bu imanla, bu bilinçle, bu şuurla her bir birey, şurada bulunan her bir birey bir dahaki toplantıya, bir dahaki buluşmaya birer arkadaşını getirerek bu sahayı, bu meydanı Müslümanlarla doldurduğumuz anda, doldurmaya çalıştığımız anda bu davayı kazanacağımızın müjdesini sizlere vermek isterim inşallah. Cenab-ı Allah Zülcelal Hazretleri cümle mazlumların yardımcısı olsun inşallah. En karibu zamanda Doğu Türkistan'daki kardeşlerimizi ve dünyanın dört bir köşesinde zalimin zulmü altında ilim inleyen mazlum mümin kardeşlerimizi halas eylesin inşallah. Düşmanlarımızı kahru perişan eylesin inşallah. Bizlere birlik, beraberlik, akıl, şuur, feraset lütfeylesin inşallah diyorum. Davamız mübarek olsun. İnşallah günümüz kutlu olsun diyorum. Hepinize çok teşekkür ediyorum. Allah'ın selamı, rahmeti, bereketi üzerimize olsun.
Thank you very much, Hocam. Thank you very much. Right now I'm inviting somebody. His voice is low, clear. There is some chant. We will do that around 10 minutes. Who has voice? We are here to make voice.
I have
Independence for East Turkestan. Independence for East Turkestan. China is a terror state. Stop the killing, stop the hate. China is a terror state. Stop the killing, stop the hate. Stand up for East Turkestan. Stand up for East Turkestan. Stand up for Uyghurs. Stand up for Uyghurs. Stand up against China. Stand up against China. Boycott China. Boycott China. Sanction China. Sanction China. Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Fascist China. Fascist China. Shame on China. Shame on China. China, stop the genocide. China, stop the genocide. Shut down the concentration camps. Shut down the concentration camps. China and the occupation. China and freedom for Uyghurs. Freedom for Uyghurs. We want independence. We want independence. Independence for East Turkestan. Independence for East Turkestan. Stand up against China's genocide. Stand up against China's genocide. Stand up for East Turkestan. Stand up for East Turkestan. Stand up for Uyghurs. Stand up for Uyghurs. Boycott China. Boycott China. Sanction China. Sanction China. Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Fascist China. Fascist China. China, stop the genocide. China, stop the genocide. China, stop killing Uyghurs. China, stop killing Kazakhs. China, shut down the concentration camps. China, shut down the concentration camps. China and the occupation. China and the occupation. Go home, China. Go home, China. Shame on China. Shame on China. China, get out of East Turkestan.
China, get out of East Turkestan. We want freedom.
We want freedom.
We want freedom.
We want freedom.
Freedom for Uyghurs.
Freedom for Uyghurs.
Freedom for Uyghurs.
Freedom for Uyghurs.
We want independence.
We want independence.
We want independence.
We want independence.
Independence for East Turkestan.
Independence for East Turkestan.
Independence for East Turkestan.
Independence